So most of y'all who know me and who have been following me for years know that I am all about helping people and giving back to the community. I also run a consulting firm. What I have created is an AI app clone of myself. Let's share a quick demo of how Brandon AI works. So we can simply ask Brandon a question. We'll select a product. We'll select marketing intelligence, and we'll ask the question, how does marketing intelligence attribute campaign activities to opportunity influence? Brandon is thinking. It lets us know the question we asked. It prepares.
Marketing intelligence typically attributes campaign activity to opportunity influence by connecting touch points such as ad clicks, form fills, email engagement, or campaign member activity to a person or account that is associated with an opportunity, then applying the attribution model configured in your workspace. The exact mechanics depend on your data sources and model, but the core requirements are consistent. 1. A reliable identity path. Activity must resolve to a lead, contact, account, or campaign member. 2. An opportunity relationship. That person account must be tied to the opportunity, usually through CRM contact roles, account association, or a defined influence rule. 3. A time window. The touchpoint must occur within the model's eligible period relative to opportunity creation, stage progression, or close date. 4. An attribution model. First touch, last touch, linear, U-shaped, W-shaped, time decay, or a custom-weighted model determines how much credit each eligible activity receives. A common failure point is treating campaign membership as proof of influence. It is only a touch point until marketing intelligence can resolve the member to the opportunity using consistent CRM IDs and dates. Another is duplicate contacts, missing opportunity contact roles, or inconsistent campaign naming and channel taxonomy, which can create unattributed activity or inflated credit. I'd establish a canonical campaign ID, person account ID, opportunity ID, touchpoint timestamp, channel, and cost record across all source feeds. Define whether influence is contact-based, account-based, or both, and document eligibility rules for pre-opportunity versus post-opportunity engagement. Keep raw touchpoints separate from modeled attribution output so you can change models without rewriting history. Validate with a small sample of closed opportunities. Trace each credited touchpoint back to its source record, confirm the person-to-opportunity relationship, and reconcile total attributed pipeline or revenue to opportunity totals. Which attribution model are you using today, and is your opportunity relationship primarily contact, role, or account-based?
Pretty cool. And that was a big answer. So we can also go down below and we can see the conversation down here. This thing can also create HTML for you, create layout templates, and could even write basic Lightning web components for you. If you like what you hear, you can simply work with Brandon. You can fill out a quick project information. It'll store your questions here so you can quick submit, get in touch with our team, and we can pick up where AI left off. What do you think? Is this something that would be beneficial to your team? Would it be useful to have AI Brandon helping you answering Marketing Cloud questions on the side? Or is this something that you would like to create for your own company to establish your expertise and use for a lead generation tool? Let me know in the comments below or connect with us for your next AI project.